So the T56 has been done for a while now. Took about a month from start to finish to get it in there. It works. It works, except we got a big issue. It is a cold start, but yeah, that's no power steering. Power steering is brand new. You hit the clutch right now and it stops. But you know, it is what it is. There's people out there that say they have rocks in their T56s and they do pulls on them, and fuck it. I mean, if they don't care, then I definitely don't. I'll definitely pull this out once I got a cement patch to actually work on. It was a pain in the ass to get it in there on on your back with rocks and dirt in your back, not to mention transmission fluid. So that's what it's gonna be for now, but everything does work. Voltmeter, fuel gauge, mind that's been wrong for a while now. There's no gasket in between the turbo and the manifold, so for now it's fine, but everything does work. Plus it is a cold start, so but again, who gives a shit about these junk motors? Have a good day.